Hi, so in this video we will see how you can add looks reviews with Pagefly page builder. So the step is pretty simple. First you need to add looks apps and install it and review and add the looks and add the reviews from AliExpress in the looks for your products. So it is I hope you are already added that with these as well, so you can import the reviews to any of the products you want with the condition of only with photos or not. With a specific product you will select from your store and you will add that in your store, so that will add the reviews to the particular product. And then the next task is to show that with Pagefly builder. So we are in a product pages, so what I need to do is I will create a new product page for the product that I wanted to add looks reviews. So I will make it, I will give it a name for the product, and I will hide the product details, and I will click the next. And I had imported a review for this product, so I will click next. So for now I will select this template for the demo purpose. So as you can see now that we have loaded the template, and now I can add the product, specific product for this template, so it will show the details of this product. So what I now wanted to add, I wanted to add a review in the bottom of the design, so it will be there. So what I will do, I will take a section, and then what you need to do is to go there in the left side of the page fly, you will see add third party elements, click on it, and you will find looks in some area. So you can see there is looks, and we want to show us the reviews, so we will click on review galleries and drag and drop into the page fly builder, and then you need to click on it. And then we need some settings to do. So review of all products, no, we don't want to show reviews for all product, so we'll turn it off and we'll click the custom product that you wanted to show. So in that case I just wanted to show the reviews for the 3D sleep mask headphone, so I'll click on it. Then we can have the limit of 10 or 20 or 30. After that there will be a show more button, and also we can only show the reviews with images only. So I will turn this on as well. So next task is we'll click on publish, and then we will go to the live preview of the site. So if we go to the bottom of the page, so now we can see that 39 reviews has been added. Also we can add the star reviews in the first section of our product details. What is star section? If we go again in the third party elements, and there you can see under looks there will be star ratings. So just drag and drop into the section that we want to add and put it there, and then we will source the product. So in that case you cannot set the product itself will be come from the details you already set it up. So we have the product details, we have called the product of 3D mask, so it will show the star rating for the 3D mask as well. So it is already taken these products, and it will show the star ratings for this product only. So if we go to the live preview again after publishing it, so we cannot see this. I think the star rating is not working somehow. So what we can do, under the looks we can go to the reviews, and then you can go to the display reviews in the app section, and you will find a some code here for showing the star rating. Let's copy those codes and again go to your page fly, and in that case we will click on it and add an HTML liquid element, and I will put it here, and then I will open the code editor and paste the code here. Okay, so now I will try to publish. So in that case it is not, it is working. So you can see now we can see 39 reviews for this product, so we have also 39 reviews in the bottom. So this is how it works. Hope that helps, and if that helps please let me know. Thank you very much for watching the video.